So dear learners, till previous lecture we have learned about file and home tab option. Now we learn about insert option. So here if we click here, we'll get some option here on our insert tab, that is new slide. So already we have learned how we'll start a new slide or how we'll optimize that. So we have learned everything about that on our home tabs. So by clicking here, I'll take a blank sheet from here or blank file, and by clicking here I will adjust it. After that, now we learn about creating table or adding table. So here if you click here, you'll see a option table, and if you take your mouse, you will see and if you click, you'll see a table have been automatically added. I'll delete it again. I'll go insert and I'll go table. There are many options: insert table, then draw table, and Excel spreadsheet. So if we want to insert some table from a spreadsheet, we are able to do it. Then draw table sheet, as per our requirement, we are able to do it. And insert table, if I click here and see here how much number of column and how much number of row you need. Suppose I need number of column for 5 and number of row for 10 suppose. Then simply just click here, a table with number of 5 column 1 2 3 4 5, and with number of 10 row 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 row have been created. So this is the way to create a table, and just simply click here and write what you want actually. Okay, and here you're able to write anything, requirement. So this is the way to create or to insert your table. Now they have some option here, table style option. So if you uncheck here, you will see there will no header row. Okay, then here total row. So if you want a total row here, a marked row end of your table, sometimes we need total row where we calculate everything in total. Then if you need it, you can take it from here. And here bounded row. Okay, so if you need banded row, if you need any row, then you can do it. Some colored row actually. Then they have option first column. If you need to mark first column, then you can do it. Then if you need to mark last column, you can do it. Then bounded column, you can do it. One by one. First column will be marked, then second, then fifth, third, then fifth. In this way you are able to change your style. Otherwise they have, if you click here, they have many options. As per this option, you can set any types of color you need actually. And also if you need to change it, or if you need to delete it, just simply click and see no style is available, just only a simple table. Again double click and select any types of table or any color of table from here. Now another, the shading. So if you want to change the color of your table, you are able to change your color from here. This is the shading. Then border. So here if you need border, then you can add border. If you need only outside border, and also if you click here, suppose left side border, right side border, or no border, if you click no border, just see no border will be available here. Again if you go here and click all border, you will see all border here. Okay, otherwise again if you click any of that style, table style, it will again back to its original style. So, and also if you are able to take effect of 3D or any types of effect here, you can add it. Then if you need to add shadow, just see, as per your requirement, actually reflection, as per your requirement, you are able to create your table. Okay, here so, and also sometimes we need to create some table as per your requirement. So how do you can do that? I can click here, draw. Suppose here we need a line, simply just click here. See here we have created a line here also. And also if you want to erase that, simply click on it the table you have created. By clicking here, you can erase that. So this is the way to insert and to modify your table. And after completing your practice, and if you practice here, you will learn many things for your requirement. Okay, so this is the way to use our table tools, and in our next lecture we'll learn about inserting emails or screenshot or anything. So thank you very much. So dear viewers, I will go here in insert, then I'll take a new slide, and here we learn about insert imaging. So to insert image, there are many options actually. It's very easy. So if you need to insert any image from your browser or from anywhere, actually you can do it. Then if you need to insert image from your device, then you can click here. Or if you want to insert your image from online picture, then also you can click here. So if you click here online picture, then okay, due to internet issue, we're not able to take a picture from online right now. But if you go to Google and search any image and copy it, simply paste it here, it will paste it here. Then if we go here picture, then this device, if we go to here this device, okay, and if I just go to desktop, and if I find some picture from here, suppose if I insert a picture here, so in this way I'm able to insert our picture, and I'll show you that how picture format. I'll show you about that sometime later. So this is the way to insert our picture. And also if you want to add an album, a picture, more than one picture, then you can do it. So for that, from file or text, I will just go here. Suppose I need to insert that picture, that three picture, then I'll click insert and I'll take it here. Okay, file to slide here option, which types of option you want to use. Okay, then create. Just see a new, this is the photo album have been created with the name, so you can do it. And see here a project have been created, and if I go here, then insert like that, enter, then again enter. So in this way we are able to insert a whole album. And previously the model we have created, this is here, and a new presentation have been created here. So I'll delete it, I'll not save it. Okay, so this is the way to insert our picture with album format or single. And also if you want to take a screenshot, just simply click here, and from where you want to take a screenshot, you can take just here our a windows you are seeing, this windows have been taken as a screenshot. So if I minus it, and again if I go here and if I close it, take a new slide, then go inside and click here skin clipping, or just simply click here skin clipping, and from that part to that part, just see we have take a screenshot from our PC. So this is the way to insert image, screenshot or photo album as per your requirement. In our next part, we'll learn about that how we'll go for our photo format. After inserting an image, sometimes we need to modify it. So how we'll modify it? Just simply click on that image and double click. You'll see a new option will come here, that is picture format. So in picture format, we are able to modify our picture as per requirement. Okay, so to modify our picture, if you need to remove background, just simply click here, and if they have any background, just see a background have been selected, and click here keep changes. Just see all of that background have been removed. So this is the way to remove our background. So I'm not going to remove our background. I'll press Ctrl Z. Now I'll again double click here, and we can adjust its color correction as per requirement. So to do it, I'll click here, correction, and you will see they have many color correction. As per requirement, you can set your color correction. If I click, suppose here, this is our original color, and if I click here, or if I click here, you will see it will show you some light color. Then if I click here, and also again if I go here, it's giving us a different or a little bit color format. Okay, so when it's done, now again I'll double click here, then they have some option in color. You can change as per your requirement. Okay, I mean which color you need to use, you will be able to see it. This is another way. Okay, I will double click here again, and they have the picture style. In picture style, if you click here, they have many options. Okay, I will make it a little bit smaller so that we can explore perfectly. So suppose if I click here, it will give you some border. Just see different types of picture style you are able to take from here. Okay, you can take as per your requirement. Then there have picture border. If you need that picture border, then you can take it. Otherwise, click here, no border, no picture border will be added here. So if you take the picture border with the color, just see you are able to take a picture border here as per your requirement. Even you are able to modify that as per your requirement from here, I mean with size. Then picture effect. So if you go here, you can change the shadow, then change the reflection here. Just see in bottom you will see a reflection. When you will take it, then glow, it will give us some glory effect, then soft effect. Okay, then 3D rotation. The many options available here actually. As per your requirement, you are able to change it as per your requirement. I can again double click here. Now we know about the bind for forward, backward, section, plan, align. You all know about that rotation, but there have another option. I'll click here. Okay, I'll click here, and we'll see the cropping option or image size. So if we click here, then we are able to crop our image as per our requirement. You see, as per our requirement, we are able to crop our image. Then again click here, just see your image will cropped. Okay, also you can manipulate your image height from here as per your requirement. And click here, there are many available options here. Lock aspect ratio, I mean if you lock aspect ratio, just see here, and now if you increase height, only height will increase. Then again lock, and if you change it, your width will change with respect to it. So this is the way. Then there's the position, then you have the text box, text align. So there are many options actually to modify your image or to correct your image. So in this way you are able to change, or you are able to manipulate your image after inserting. Okay, so thank you very much. So dear learners, in our previous lecture we have learned about image and its image formatting. Now we learn about illustration. So in our illustration we have three options: shape, SmartArt, and chart. So already we have learned about shape, right? In our previous lecture, we have learned about that. Now we learn about SmartArt and chart. So for that I will take a new slide, and then I'll go insert, and I'll click here SmartArt. So from SmartArt, actually what is SmartArt and where we use it actually? So to make a sequence, to show some types, show some difference, show some flowchart, we actually use that. Okay, so in our book or in our presentation, it's a important part. Now they have many options actually. This is all types, and here the list types. If you want to show some things like in least way, then you can take it from here. Then process, I mean if you want to show something in arrow wise, then you can take it from here. Then cycle wise, if you want to show something in cycle wise, like water cycle or anything, then you can take it here. Then they have option with I mean with the foundation, I mean with the main type, and which is subtype like that, then you can take it from here. Then the relationship, you can take it from here, matrix form, then pyramid form. Okay, so and they have some picture forms. So I will show it starting. So here if I take that option, then if I click OK, just see they have some option, text, and after taking it, they have many options actually again. So they have 3D effect. Okay, they have many effect actually. Also if you click here, you will see that option. This is the option actually. So if we take here, and in this text, just see. So in this way actually we can use our format, and also we are able to change our color as per our requirement. There are many options available to manipulate it as per your requirement. So how you want to show your presentation, it's totally depend on you. And also if you click here, you are able to change it as per your requirement. Just see here, as per your requirement, you are able to change it. How you want to show, it's totally depend on you. And if I go here for another types of form, like if you click here and just see. Okay, so I think you have understand that how we can do it, and also if you click here, you can change it, convert to text. If you just click here, it will convert to text. Again, after coming here, if you also need to change it in our that previous format, then we can go here, home, then insert. Otherwise, just simply click just here after clicking your text, convert to SmartArt, and just click here at which format you want to need to change it. So this is the way to use our SmartArt. Actually, in many way we can use our SmartArt as per our requirement. Just if we click here, and somewhere it will be our, okay, let's move it or delete it. Then we can write here parts of speech. Let's say parts of speech. Then we can add we can add some new file here as per our requirement. If you need to add that, just simply by clicking here, then we can add it. Add shape after, before, above, add assistant. Just see here, assistant have been created, Ctrl Z. If I click here, then add shape after, or add assistant, a new file have been created. Just close that, and again click here, then add shape after. So after that, a new add have been shaped. Again, if you click here, right click, add shape after, a shape have been created here. Again click here, add shape, above, below. Just see, a shape have been added here. Again, if you click here, then add assistant, and a shape with respect to it have been added. Now if I go for parts of a space, go for noun, then again what we can do, we can delete it, and we can add some text here. Just see, add shape, add. Okay, we'll take add assistant as of that value. Click on that line, add assistant. So in this way we are able to edit as per our requirement actually. And if you click here, add after here, and click here, add shape below, a new shape have been added. Again click here, add shape below, a new shape have been created. Then for parts of space, if we go for like your noun, sorry, if we go for just see. So in this way you are able to make any types of conversation or anything, and now you're able to change it as per your requirement. And they have many style available here, many style. Just see, you can change it as per your requirement, how you want actually, how you want to show, how to show creativity with this line. So this is the way to make a SmartArt presentation. And after completing your practice, when you'll do a practice, and if you face any problem, let me know. No problem, I will try to help you. So thank you very much. Dear learners, now we'll learn about inserting charts. So this is the most important part of our that Microsoft PowerPoint, because when we want to compare some data, when we want to show some data in some specific manner, then we use chart. This is the most important part of Microsoft PowerPoint. So how we'll use chart in this lecture, we'll learn about that. If we click here on chart, now see there are many options actually. Template, there's the column type chart. Okay, you can show some data categorized with column wise. Then line type chart, you can show some data with line wise. Then pie, I mean they have some percent. Suppose you have done a survey and you want to show your survey data, and now we are able to show that survey data in chart wise or pie wise, then bar chart wise, then area wise, then our XY scatter wise, stock market data wise, then surface data. We'll learn more about that. Now we'll learn more about that, no problem. So first of all, I'll go for column wise. They have many options in column wise. Okay, I'll take first one. I'll click OK. You see a new chart have been created in that side. This is the value. I'll close it. And when we'll take a data, a Excel file, related Excel file or format will open here with our required, as per required data. Now here it's showing the category 1, 2, 3, 4. So here the category. Okay, and here the series from which series data you want to show. Here the series, and here the range of that value are showing here, value range. Okay, now if we want to change that data, suppose we want to show some data of a on a sale data. So I'll take some name, David, Cameron, Maxwell, Gale. Okay, so when I have changed the data, see this data have been changed here. Here this data have been changed. Also, if you need a new name, Roman, then Ali, then you see in some new box have been added here. And if we input data, suppose, and if I change that name day 1 here, day 2 here, day 3, suppose data of that 3 days, and here it's showing with a specific color. Now if we add data here, suppose our debit in first day sale 4.3 thousand, 2.5 thousand for Maxwell, like that they have said, and this 2.5, and this one sale 6.4, you see, and here 1.2, 5.6, and here 4 and 8, suppose. So you see, when we are changing data, automatically it's changing. Even if you add another day, day 4, a new day have been added here, and a new option or line will be added when we'll provide data here. Suppose for day 2, 6, 1, 6, 5, 4, 3. Okay, so in this way we are able to manipulate that data here. So I'll close that, and by double clicking here I will change it. So data, daily sale data. Okay, and here if you want to add some name here, okay, we can take here quick layout. In our quick layout we are able to add some title in left side. Okay, and here you can change it as per your requirement. If you need, if you do not need any left side or bottom data, then you can change it. Actually they have many formats you can change as per your requirement. Okay, this is the way to change your, and also you can show your data bottom with your chart. See, this is the way, on way. And here you can add element. Here you can add title. So already our title is available, axis title. Then we can add the left side title. If I click here, just see a left side title have been added here. I can write here sale range, clear, sale range, bracket, in bracket we can write it in USD, dollar. Okay, then we can add a line here bottom. So if you want you can line a bottom. Seller name. Okay, in this way you are able to manipulate your data how you want to manipulate. Also you can change your data from here as per your requirement. You can customize it. They have many options available here to customize. Then if you again need to edit your data, simply click here, your data chart will come here, and you are able to change your data. Okay, then if you want to change your data style, you can click here and you can change your style as per your requirement. If you click here, you'll see a table like that, and if you click OK, just see it's been changed. It's been changed with color wise. Now you can compare which table are showing more value. Okay, again you can go here, and as per your requirement, and if you want to show in line wise, then as per your work, you can show the data with line wise. Okay, I mean at day 1. So here if you click here, this is showing the value of day 1 and which person have been David, Cameron, Maxwell. So who sell more in that day, we can find out the data. Again, if we go for change, then if you want to show in bar wise or pie wise, if we click here, now you'll see actually in this type data we have selected are not able to compare in this manner. We're not able to compare in this manner. You can understand about that. So and when we will compare some data in percent wise or then we can do it. Okay, so this is the way to use your table as per your requirement actually, and I think you will be able to change your data, or you will be able to make a perfect chart as per your professional work. So thank you very much. Still stay connected till next lecture. Now we'll learn about some linking option. So for that I will take a new slide, and by clicking here, okay, we can add some link action, but before that we need some data. So from here I'll go here and I will take some data like done. Okay, and here I'll go. Then if we want to add some link, so how we can add link? There are many options actually. You can browser link, you can add browser link, you can add some specific file from your PC. Suppose you are going to make some presentation and recently you need to show some file as a reference file. Then how you can do that? Suppose they have a file in your PC like our work, and this file you want to show as a reference file. Okay, so I'll click okay, and here actually not for this one, I will take some shape like here. Okay, and I will take file, this name as a file. So after selecting that one, I'll right click here and I will use hyperlink or insert the link, and I will use that one. Okay, and I'll click OK. Now see, when you take your mouse here, normally it will be normal, but when you take your mouse here, you'll see our some file are showing. So if you press Ctrl and then if you click here, see the file you have selected are opening here. See, in this way you are able to do it. Otherwise, if you want to show some, if I take a copy of it, and here if I want to show some action, like if I click here and this is the hyperlink to here, run program. By clicking here, suppose you want to open another software or anything, just run program, then run macro, play sound. If you want to add some text or something, okay, or you can highlight, click. So there are many options actually. By clicking here, if you want to open some software, suppose I need to open that software, then I'll click okay, then okay. Just see, if I take if I press Ctrl and if I click here, and also okay, this option are not working, maybe for that action. Highlight, click, mouse over, run program, play sound, highlight with mouse, play sound. Okay, I'm a little bit confused about that option actually, but what we can do that by right clicking here, we can take some hyperlinks, and for that hyperlinks, if we take this option, maybe this software are not working. If we take it here, for that one it's showing, but for that one it's not showing. So maybe for software, actually this is the shortcut, as this is a shortcut link, maybe for that it's not showing like that. But if we use hyperlink, I mean the link, then they have many options available: customize, show, slide, URL. So if we use some URL dot fb.com and click OK, then OK. Now see, the option for fb.com are available here. Now if you click press Ctrl and click here, a browser will open with Facebook. See here, the Facebook have been opened. So this is the way to use our link and action option. Okay, now if you want to add some comment, you can add your comment here anywhere. So how you can add your comment? Suppose if I take some text, here a text, and you want to insert a comment. Now it's okay. If we take it's okay, and I'll close it. When you will read it, and if you click your mouse here, you will see your side note here. Okay, this is the way to show your side note actually. Now this is the way to show your link or comments here. Thank you very much. Dear learners, in this section we learn about text data from insert section. So there are many options: text box, header and footer, word art, date and time, slide number, and object. So to use that option, we already know about the text box. Simply if we click here text box, and if we click here, a text box will open here, and we can write anything. Okay, we can write anything actually. We can add some bullet, like that way. So this is the way to insert our text box. We already know about. And here another important thing, that is header and footer. So what is the header? We all know about header and footer. So if we want to add some text in the bottom of our presentation, then we can add it. Also, if we want to show some text on top of our presentation, then we can add it. So in slide, date and time. So if you want to show date and time, see already a date and time are showing here on our every page. So if I uncheck and apply to all, just see this option is not available right now. Again I'll go here, and if I want to do it, it will show here. And there are two options. This is the automatically, that means it will take data from your PC. Okay, it will take data from your PC. Otherwise you can take it from, you can take manually. Suppose you have created that data in 10 November 2023, then apply to all. So see 10 November 2023, you can edit here. On our every slide, it's have been added. Again, if I go here, And if I want to show the slide number, so I can add it here. So if I click here and see here, a number have been added, that number, page number 7, something like that. And also sometimes we don't want to show or some data on our heading slide, then you can use here don't show on the title slide, then apply all, click here to see this value will not show. Actually we have no title slide, we didn't add any title slide, that's why. Okay, and here if I change here something 2022, and if I only click here apply, just see here it's not effective, but here it's have been effective 2022, because in previous we have created that we have used that option apply to all, that's it's have been applied to all of our slide, but now we have applied only here. Okay, then footer, if you want to write something on your footer, and if you click apply, just see a text have been added here. Okay, now we'll go our another data or text art. So we'll learn about text art now. So for our text art, what is the meaning of text art? This is text with different types of colorful or beautiful format. So if you click here, you will see there's some text format available here. If I take that option, and if you start writing here like okay, let's see here. So in this way you are able to take your data, and also here you can change its color, fill color. See if we take that fill color with little bit like that, and outside color, you can take your outside color as per your requirement. Then outside border width, you can take your border width. Then also reflection system, if you need the reflection system, if you need the glory system, it will show some glory. Then actually already a plan about that, or I've seen about that. Okay, we have already seen about that. So in this way you are able to use these types of text. But if you again need to change that, just simply click here and click, just see now this option is not available, but if you click here, this shape format will come here. Click here, and you are now to change your data. So from here you can change anything as per your requirement. Clear? So this is the way to use our text format, WordArt. Now we'll learn about slide number and object. So previously here already we have learned about that, so it's okay, because if we want to use slide number, then simply just we have to click here slide number, and it will start automatically. I'll close it. Then they have some option object. So what is the meaning of object actually? How this option work? So this option work with some manner, like if you want to show some software as a clicking point here, and at the time of your presentation you want to show that data, show your data from your work. Okay, then you can use it here. Suppose I have a Adobe Acrobat file, and I want to take it from into browser. Suppose they have a drawing file. Okay, and okay, I want to display icon. Okay, and I want to open that file at the time of my presentation. If I click here and wait for some time, it will take some time to open and to confirm its work. Just see, they have option like DWG file have been added. Now if you come here, I mean if you press Ctrl, or if you double click here, I mean if you double click on that DWG file, a AutoCAD software will open and the file insert on it will show here. So at the time of presentation, you are able to show it as per your requirement. Now if I minus it here and if I double click, just see it will open here. Okay, this is the way to show some external file or external data here as per your requirement. So dear viewers, now we'll learn about inserting or using symbols. Sometimes in our presentation we need to show some mathematical formula, mathematical data, or we need some symbol, okay, for different types of work. So now suppose you need a mathematical formula. For that we'll click on insert, then we'll come here in from symbol tab, equation. Now which types of sequence or data you need actually, otherwise you can double click here. So sorry, skip, then come here, insert, and if you see your required data is okay with that symbol, then you can take it here. Otherwise what we can do, we can double click here. So when you double click, a new tab with equation tools will come here, and now you are able to take any types of function from here. Okay, anything you need actually, any format. See here, any format are available. What do you need actually? We'll see many option is available, and I think this option will be okay with you. This is the logarithm or anything actually, operator, then matrix, and also we are manipulate that matrix data, able to manipulate that matrix data. Suppose I need some radical equation or script equation, then if I click here and if you move it here, just see 3 box available. And if I want to show this data, log or 10, 5, and click here and 3. So this is the data. You'll see sometimes these types of functional data are required, so you can create it, and double click here and click here equation. You'll also see here. And if you need some data like that, suppose I need data here, sorry, I need this data in separate place, then insert, then double click here, then function, already function, just take that function here. Okay, and I need a data like 5 divided by 9. So in this way actually you are able to use that insert tab from the equation. I mean, what you need actually, what you need, you can take it here, and here some basic data, plus minus sign or anything, this is available here. Okay. Suppose you need sin theta, sine, and from here we'll find out theta, is it available here or not. So here, this is not sin theta. Okay, so because this theta is not available on your keyboard, and here we have to find out it. And also if this is not, this data is not available, this data is not available, then how we can do actually, we can again go insert, then suppose go to in text and click here symbol, and in symbol you'll get thousands of symbol here. Suppose you need that data, copyright data, C or row, then click insert. Where it's insert is here. Here it have been insert. Just row. In this way, if you need any samples for equation and samples, you are able to use that data. Thank you very much. And in our next lecture, we'll learn about design tab. Thank you very much.